Did you know your bones and muscles may be shrinking right now? Yes, even as you watch this. After age 60, the average person loses up to 2% of their bone density every year, and by 75, most people have lost nearly 30% of the muscle they had at age 30. This isn't just about looking strong. It's about standing up from your chair without struggling, climbing stairs without holding the railing, and living your life with confidence and independence. Most people don't realize how fast this decline happens until it's too late. But here's the good news. Targeted, consistent movement can reverse years of strength loss. Not slow it down, reverse it. Sometimes in just weeks. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple exercises that take only 7 minutes. And they directly strengthen the exact systems your body needs to stay strong, steady, and independent. No gym, no equipment, just safe, science-backed movements you can do at home. Before we begin, drop your name and where you're watching from in the comments. We'd love to get to know you. Think about how many times you stand up every day. From the couch, from the dinner table, from your favorite chair. This simple movement becomes surprisingly difficult as we age. And when standing up becomes hard, independence begins to slip away. The sit to stand is more than exercise. It's a life skill. It strengthens your thighs, glutes, hamstrings, and core. The exact muscles you use every time you stand, walk, or climb stairs. How to do it. Sit on a sturdy chair, feet shoulder width apart. Lean forward slightly, nose over toes. Push through your heels as you stand with control. Pause at the top. Slowly lower back down. Breathing. Exhale as you stand. Inhale as you sit. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, 3 times per week. And remember, move slowly. Momentum is cheating. Muscles grow from control. Exercise 2, overhead press. Most people forget how important upper body strength is as they age. Yet every day you reach for a shelf, lift grandchildren, carry groceries, change a light bulb. Weak shoulders make simple tasks painful, even risky. The overhead press builds your shoulders, triceps, chest, and core, and improves balance more than people realize. How to do it. Sit or stand tall. Hold light weights, bottles, or cans. Press overhead as you exhale. Lower slowly as you inhale. Do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps, 3 times a week. Keep your core tight and avoid arching your back. Exercise 3, wall push-up. Push-ups are one of the most complete upper body movements. But floor push-ups aren't required. Wall push-ups gently strengthen your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, without stress on your wrists or shoulders. How to do it. Hands on the wall at shoulder height. Step back to create a slight angle. Lower your body toward the wall as you inhale. Push back as you exhale. Do 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps, 3 times a week. Progression. Wall table/incline knee push-ups, full push-ups. Slow, controlled movement is always better than fast reps. Exercise 4, step back lunge. This movement trains each leg individually. Crucial for walking, climbing stairs, and preventing falls. Stepping back is safer than stepping forward, reducing the pressure on your knee while improving balance and coordination. How to do it. Stand tall. Step one leg back. Lower gently. Keep the front knee aligned. Push through the front heel to stand. Do 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 10 per leg, 3 times a week. Hold a chair for support if needed. Exercise 5, single leg balance. This may look simple, but it's one of the most powerful fall prevention exercises you can do. It strengthens your stabilizers, improves coordination, and trains proprioception, your body's ability to sense its position in space. Most falls happen not because someone trips, but because the body doesn't know how to recover. How to do it. Stand tall. Lift one leg a few inches. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Switch sides. Start with 10 seconds if needed. Use a wall for support. To increase difficulty, close your eyes. Try a softer surface like a mat. Which exercise trains the muscles that help you stand up from a chair? A. Overhead press. B. Sit to stand. C. Wall push-up. D. Single leg balance. Drop your answer in the comments. If you're unsure, watch the video again. Or just type 9. These 5 movements protect your strength, balance, and independence. They're simple, safe, and incredibly effective. But only if you stay consistent. Start today. Pick one exercise. Do it correctly. Then slowly build from there. Wishing you strength, energy, and wellness every single day.